Students, so today teacher will have 3 videos to show you about how to folding the culture and also folding the napkin, the red napkin on the bread basket, and also folding the napkin to cover on the water pitcher. So let's start, have a look all together. From the first thing, I would like to show you how to folding or rolling to the culture that we serve it to the customer when the customer come to in our restaurant. So let's have a look all together. So the material, we have big round tray and small round tray, and you place it, it's been like that, to making it as a cutting board to rolling to the culture. So and this one, we have eye bucket to put water and ice cube, and you place the culture into the water. And normally in our country we use 2 styles for the smelling. The first one is tiger balm, and second one is the lemongrass smell. So now we don't have, but I just show to all of you. So the first thing, when you put the culture into the eye bucket, maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes already, okay, you bring it on the round tray like that. Okay, make sure your round tray and your hand has been clean. Okay, you folding the culture like that, and this one, okay, another side, okay. So we got it. So now time to rolling. Okay, okay. So now we get properly and beautiful of the culture, and you place on a baby plate or container and you put into the chill. So now let me show you maybe 2 more of culture. Okay, so 1 more, and then we go to the next video. Okay, so now we're getting 3 of culture, and you place it into the fridge, and you serve it to the customer when the customer is just check in and taking order, and you serve it before the drink. Okay, so now we are finished for the folding the culture.